started off as a platonic relationship. We smoked and drinking, he was playing hard to get, I should've quit. Licked my lips, left this nigga quick with a stick shift about 7 inches, well equipped. He had me whipped, couldn't resist. So roll another doobie, watch a movie, then he took me to my room, you see, thinking he gon' get some goodies. Nah, plan B. Pulls out the coke and the Hennessy, yeah, that's me. A couple drinks had me weak, I'm asleep in his arms so sweet, loving the way that he touching me. The way that he touching me, that shit is so lovely. The way that he touching me, the way that he touching me.
I'm sedated over your love, can't get enough of your touch. You know what's down, I know what's up. I'm sedated over your kiss, I reminisce and get pissed. You play me wrong and this is how it is. I'm sedated over your love, can't get enough of your touch. You know what's down, I know what's up. I'm sedated over your kiss, I reminisce and get pissed. You play me wrong and this is how it is.
Couple days later, found the number on the paper. He left on the table, hit it up, found out it's his pager. Didn't think nothing of it, balled it up and said fuck it, and started off with my day. Went out and played, topped some herbal trees and prayed that this guy I'm dreaming about connect with me someday. Not knowing it's the chemistry, I'm fiending for you constantly. I wanna call him back, but that pager shit is whack. Under attack, I'm smacked, got me fumbling off track. I need to relax, relate and release, because my life is just a puzzle when he could be the missing piece. The missing piece, or maybe I'm just
sedated over your love, can't get enough of your touch. You know what's down, I know what's up. I'm sedated over your kiss, I reminisce and get pissed. You play me wrong and this is how it is. I'm sedated over your love, can't get enough of your touch. You know what's down, I know what's up. I'm sedated over your kiss, I reminisce and get pissed. You play me wrong and this is how it is.
So finally, we meet again. Told myself, just a friend. Friends about to end, something's better about to begin. It's hard to pretend, got me falling again. Head over fucking heels, living life was a thrill until the boy wants to cheat me, the freak from the street. Pushed me aside and made his trick his new treat. Thought it was a secret, heard it from a witness. With some pictures of the mistress, had to cope, didn't believe this. Damn, you gonna miss this, thought you never hear this. The same bitch you fucking with, robbed them last weekend. At the weekend, y'all creepin', was that to the sleepin'? And me seeing the whole thing, got this nigga thinking.
I'm sedated over your love, can't get enough of your touch. You know